Welcome back, guys. I am in Gangtok right now. So this is MG Mark. This is gonna be a short update video. I was gonna head towards North Sikkim today, but I couldn't because as you can see it is raining since yesterday afternoon. I even got my permit and everything, but it didn't work out that way this time. Yeah, so I came here day before yesterday from Siliguri, but like yesterday it took me time to get the permit and all. I had to apply for that. So for that I had to go to the permit office. It's nearby only from here. Few updates on the permit part for North Sikkim. When I went to the office yesterday, they told me that right now we can't apply individually for our permits, which was not the case earlier. Earlier we could just go to the office and apply for our permits, and like anyone could apply, but right now that's not the case. The person in that office told me that you have to go through a travel agency in order to get the permit now, and the vehicle has to be in your name, otherwise it's not possible to get a permit like that. There are a few changes to that. So I did that permit part yesterday and even got the permit today. I was about to leave by 8 or 9 today, but I don't think it's possible, man. It's of no use actually, because even if I reach there, I will not be able to see anything. My plan was to go to Gurudongma Lake through Lachen, which is like, so Lachen is like 4 hours from here, 4 or 5 hours, and then Gurudongma is extra 4 hours from there. Let this video be a reminder for you all, like if you think that just roaming around and making videos is easy, then it's not at all. This is the condition of MG Mark right now. I mean, people are outside, they have to go to work and all, but it's not as usual. Yeah, I mean, in this rain, I can't even go to Siliguri, man. It's like the roads are gonna be slippery as hell, and like I don't know when I'll be able to leave today. I think next month is a better option to come and visit North Sikkim, because hopefully it will not rain. But it's not supposed to rain like this in October also, but still raining. And I met two guys yesterday who were also bikers, and they were planning of visiting North Sikkim, and they even got their permit done along with me, but they are also cancelling their trip and heading back. So that's the case right now. It was hot as hell in Siliguri when I left, and it was fine here. Like I came here day before yesterday, it was fine that day, and then yesterday it started raining since afternoon, and the forecast is also like this, that it's gonna rain for the next 3 or 4 days. And I checked the forecast of Lachen and Gurudongma also, is the same over there. I don't think it's a good option to go right now for anyone, because you won't be able to see anything. Even if you travel by a 4-wheeler, it's gonna be the same thing, you won't be able to see anything. So main thing is the views in North Sikkim. So if you don't get that, then what's the point of going there? Yeah, so next time I think I'll have to plan for a few more days, and then I'll get to cover maybe Gurudongma and Lachen route, and then there is another route which goes to Yumthang Valley and then 0 Point. So for that you need at least 2 nights and 3 days. So that's the thing, but it's fine. At least I got to come here and then spend a couple of days. I'm just hoping that it stops raining soon. Like even if it starts drizzling, then I can think of heading back to Siliguri. If you planning to travel to North Sikkim, please keep these things in mind. And about the permit part, as I told you, the procedure has changed now. So I think I'm gonna end this here. That's it for now then. So I finally reached home, and it took me 7 hours today to reach Siliguri from Gangtok. It was so tough and challenging out there today. I wish I could have recorded and shown you guys the whole thing, but you know, it was raining the whole way. It didn't even stop for a second, so I couldn't risk my camera out there in that rain. It was an adventure like given this t-shirt. But finally I reached, and that's the main thing. There were two landslides today on the way, one at Singtam and one at near Tista. I had to take a detour in Singtam to reach Rangpo, which is not that far, you know. Singtam and Rangpo are not that far. But then I had to take a detour, and then it took me 1 hour to reach Rangpo from Singtam. So that's the case. I don't know about the cars. I think they're still on the way. Like there was a queue of, I think, around 100 cars just waiting for their turn to move. But thankfully I was in a two-wheeler, so it's easier to pass around. That was my failed North Sikkim trip, and I hope to cover it soon, maybe next month. Let's see what happens. That was the update, short update. I hope I gave you guys some meaningful info. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video now, and hope to see you guys soon enough. Take care, everyone.